How to draw a cartoon alien. We're going to start off by drawing the alien's head. We're going to draw the outline of the head, but we're going to leave two small spaces where we'll make his antennas. We're also going to leave a space at the bottom of the head for where the neck will be. Now we're going to draw our alien's antennas. To do this, we're going to draw two straight lines with a circle on top connecting them. Great job, learn how to draw, Hub Crew. Now we're going to draw the other antenna. Next, we're going to move on to drawing the neck and the body. We're going to draw two small straight lines coming down from the head for the neck. Then we're going to make the right arm. We're going to start at the neck and make a curved line going out to the right side. Next, we're going to make a similar line to the one we just drew underneath. This will be the other part of the arm. After that, we're going to connect the two sides of the arms by drawing the hand. Wow, everyone! Your drawing's looking great! We're going to draw the left arm now the same way that we just drew the right arm. Our drawings are really coming along. Next, we're going to draw the alien's body. Now we're going to make the legs. You can make your legs as long or short as you would like. Then we're going to connect the body by drawing a small line in between the two legs. Next, we're going to give our alien a smile right here, and then we're going to draw the eyes. We're going to give our alien two big eyes, one right here and one right here. We're going to draw a small oval inside each of the eyes. We're going to leave this part white and color in the rest of the eye black. Once we're all done with the eyes, we're going to color in our drawing together. Make sure to stick around until the end. This is how to draw a cartoon alien. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you like step-by-step drawing tutorials like this one, then make sure to subscribe so that you can get many more in the future. Now let's color in our alien together, everyone.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.